Hi, this is Elizabeth Brico, one of the authors of Trauma PTSD blog on Healthy Place. I'm outside today and I'm here to talk about public spaces and specifically the female experience of public spaces. When we're out in public around strangers, we don't know who has a trauma history or who has PTSD around us. We don't know anything about the people around us. So we can't necessarily cater to everyone's mental health condition, but there is something that this Me Too hashtag campaign has brought out into the public consciousness that women generally have in common, which is a history of some form of sexual violence, whether it's a major traumatic event like rape or catcalling. Most women have experienced something. And pretty much all women have an awareness that something like this could happen because it's just the way we're conditioned and taught as children that we need to be scared of men. Whether or not that's true, it's something that a lot of girls and women are raised to believe. And because of that, we have this experience of public spaces that is somewhat different than the experience of men. And that's something I want to talk about and bring into your awareness today. Right now I'm in the alley behind my apartment. I'm here in the middle of the day with my husband who's filming, panning for you at the beginning. And so I feel pretty safe right now. But sometimes I come here at night. There's a shop down there that has this delicious vegan chocolate brownie ice cream. It's amazing. And sometimes after the kids go to bed, I have a craving for chocolate ice cream. My husband can't come with me because he has to stay with our kids. It's not too far, it's probably a 5-minute walk, so I come out here and go get ice cream. I have to walk through this alley at night by myself, and it's kind of creepy. Nothing bad has ever happened to me while I'm doing that, but every time, nonetheless, I come out and I go as fast as I can out of this alley. I get out of this alley as fast as I can into a public, more public area where there are more people. And on my way back, I get as quickly to the door as I can. I always have my keys in my hand both ways so I can run back and go back inside. Sometimes I have them between my knuckles like knives, so I can attack someone if they attack me. And this is honestly not an uncommon experience for women. After I've gotten through this alley, this happens every time, there's a bar that's in between me and the shop with the ice cream. At nighttime, there's typically people outside smoking, and they're drunk. Sometimes they say nothing, but sometimes they say something. So I always prepare myself, steel myself to maybe have someone make a comment about my appearance or try to hit on me. That's something that I just steel myself for when I'm going on this 5-minute walk to get ice cream. That's a pretty normal experience for women, unfortunately. It's just something that we live with right now. So the reason I want to bring this awareness, most women watching this probably know this already. Some men may too, but I want to bring this awareness so that men can understand this and maybe have an awareness that women are aware of you when we're in public spaces. Even if you're a really nice guy and you are never going to do something awful like rape a woman or catcall her or grope her or anything like that, it matters to be aware. Let's say you're in an alley like this or another public space where there aren't a lot of people, it's just you and another woman. Something that you can do to help her experience feel a little safer is to not get too close to her. Even if all you want to do is pass by her, not walking up to her at a really fast pace is going to help her feel safer. Maybe cross the street if that's an option. Just don't come up on her really fast and make her feel like a moment of fear, like maybe you're going to attack her. Another thing is that women have been groped in public spaces where there are a lot of people, like crowded buses. So what I'm saying is be aware of the women around you. Be aware that their bodies are there, be aware where your bodies are, and try not to kind of impose on her space. Even if all you're doing is just being normal, you don't want to do anything weird, just be aware, because I guarantee she's aware of you. I hope one day we can live in a world where this isn't something we have to navigate, but right now it is, so let's all try to have a good shared experience.